Good evening, sir. We are La Consolacion College, Bacolod. We are taking base HM, and here our classmate. We're conducting initial interview for our subject with multicultural. We have a necessary question about your experience in the hospitality industry, and na for sure damo gid kami nabalaan about sa hospitality industry, and you you share your experience in hotel industry for the past years, and we conclude that an experience, and we apply that in our na OJT or future work in hospitality. So our questions, sir, mga execute ang first question.
Have you ever witnessed stereotypes in different cultures? How did you address the situation?
Okay, hindi naman mahalaga kung anong mayroon sa isang tao. Ang mahalaga ay gumagawa ka ng mabuti sa kapwa mo at hindi binabase sa kung anong mayroon ng tao. Yun lang.
Okay. May question ka, sir. What is your ng most experience in hospitality industry, and mga worst scenario better example ng how to deal with the customers bila mga ano ang imo ang experience nga hindi mo malimtan or hindi mo nalilimutan na experience about sa industry.
Makasala ang yung mga upod or ibang tao, pero normal lang man.
Din may pangkat na. May pamangkat ka din.
Okay, sir. Excuse me. For our next question is, what do you think is the significant challenges facing in your work?
Una sa lahat, pagod. Una sa lahat, pagod at time management. At bawat araw-araw na mananatiling healthy ang iyong kalusugan upang hindi mapabayaan ang iyong trabaho. At normal lang naman na mapagod sa araw-araw, huwag mo lang isipin yung mga pagod, isipin mo yung pangarap mo.
Okay, thank you, sir. And next question is, what role do you think education plays in challenging stereotypes and cultural awareness?
Hindi naman sa lahat ng tao ay mapanghusga at dapat nating tanggapin at mahalin ang ibang kultura. Huwag nating hayaan na laitin ang ibang kultura dahil wala naman tayong karapatan ng lahit na ibang tao.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Cassie, what do you want to ask, sir?
What is your satisfying moment in your work, sir?
Satisfying moment in your work. Dapat naman talaga na maging open-minded at wag lang tayo manghusga sa ibang tao. Lahi dahil wala naman tayong karapatan na yan lang.
Sir, excuse me, may pamangkot kasi sir. Nang if how many years ka na gani sa industry, sir? Hotel industry?
3 years to 2 years to 3 years.
Okay. Gaka-culture shock ka, sir, sa mga taong ara sa palibot mo. Example, nang nagkalain-lain bilang ang mga lingwahe or example. Paano nyo na ma-deal, sir, about sa mga mga nagkalain-lain nga upod mo sa trabaho? Mga culture shock.
Sir, meron naman kaming kasamahan na expert sa mga language na tina-translate lang namin yung mga bawat tanong nila, mga bawat katanungan nila.
Okay. And then, then, Aldwin, may pamangkot ka pa?
Okay, sir. To close na lang for our questions. Our last questions is okay, sir. Here's your questions. What strategies do you think are effective in promoting and understanding different cultures? Should I repeat, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. The question is, have you ever experienced culture? What the strategies do you think are effective in promoting and understanding different cultures?
Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung meron kaming kasama na expert sa language, yun lang, pinapa-translate lang namin yung para magkaintindihan lahat.
To communicate with others. Kumbaga, kung sino yung mga expert dun sa mga lingwahe na ganun, tina-translate lang para maintindihan ng lahat. Parang ganun. Okay po. Any other question? Kasi may pamangkot ka pa.
Sir, ano kaning role mo, sir? Anong role mo?
Manager po.
What we wanted to do, sir, were kind of establishments. What is your role there?
Ano po?
What we wanted to know, sir, what kind of establishments, sir, you are working on, and what is your role there?
My role?
Yes po, and if okay lang po, malaman na what kind of establishment you are working on. If okay lang po, pero pag sa tingin nyo na talagang personal, okay na lang po. Okay lang po ba malaman or...
Kung saan niya po nag-manager, sir?
Hindi po.
Okay po, we are respecting your decision po. Para naman po sa privacy niyo po yan. Pero maybe this all the end, we have tackled everything naman po. We just wanted to say thank you, sir, for your time and effort, sir, para po ma-interview ka namin po para sa aming project po. Maraming salamat po ulit at magandang gabi po.
Thank you po. Salamat po ninyo.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Maraming
Thank you,
salamat.
sir. God bless po, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye po. Thank you.